Tito, let's say bear market na, pwede ba lang ba BTC down na ang i-hold till matapos ang bear market? Hindi po eh. It doesn't work that way. Kasi you have to understand that the market does not go in a straight line. So, umaakyat baba po yun. So, kahit na naka-BTC down ka, yes, walang liquidation yung BTC down na yan. Pero may mga funding fees yan. That's one. Number two, kahit naka-BTC down ka, walang liquidation yan, nagbabago po ang presyo niyan in relation, not 100%, 1:1 na ratio sa Bitcoin. So, observe nyo po yun. But ako, I don't suggest na i-hold mo lang yung BTC down hanggang dulo eh. Hindi kaya eh, kasi baka maubos ka sa funding fee. The market will never go straight na pababa. Kaya ang kailangan po talaga is mag-create na strategy. If you want to, pagka down yung market, hindi ka pwede syempre mag-long term na naka-huddle ka ng down eh. You have to trade it eh. So dun pumapasok yung mga traders, mga active traders. Pag down yung market, they can still make money. Diba? Yung mga bodigero, they only make money of course kapag paakyat yung market.